We are sorry to announce that the 1812 service to London Paddington is delayed by approximately 34 minutes due to leaves on the line.
Leaves on the line? What a crockish. So it turns out that leaves on train tracks actually cause some serious issues. Who knew? Right, our commuter train is made up of the passenger cars and the driving cars. Our train uses electrical motors which can be powered from overhead lines or from onboard diesel power generators. This is all very efficient. Higher speed trains are designed with aerodynamics in mind, so they don't lose much energy to wind resistance. Still very efficient. The wheels are made of steel, as are the tracks, which leads to very low rolling resistance, which means there is very little energy lost when turning the wheels. All this means we have a very efficient mode of transport. All this efficiency means it takes less energy and therefore less fuel to operate the train. This is good news, as this means lower operating costs and less of an impact on the environment. The low rolling resistance does come with a drawback, however. Rolling resistance goes hand in hand with friction, which means low rolling resistance equals low traction. This means your train isn't going to be winning any hill climbing competition, nor will it be accelerating quickly or stopping within a short distance. None of this is really an issue, as train tracks are designed around these limitations, until of course those leaves start to fall. Those leaves fall on the line and get both crushed and heated as train wheels pass over them. This transforms a few seemingly harmless leaves into a very slippery layer covering the surface of the tracks. What does this mean for the trains? Well, without good traction, they take longer to stop, longer to get up to speed, and even gentle gradients can become impassable. All of this means that journey times increase, along with the blood pressure of the passengers waiting on the platform. There are some preventative measures that the rail companies take, such as cutting back trees and working more time into train schedules, but this can only take us so far. We need something with which to fight back. We need a secret weapon to leave the trees shaking in fear. We need a leaf buster. Okay, it's not quite as intimidating as the Hulk Buster, but it is effective at removing the stubborn, slippery film of leaves. It does this by pressure washing the tracks with incredibly powerful water jets, and when needed, applying a gel and sand mixture, just like gritting on the roads. This mixture boosts traction and leaves the tracks with a nice, grippy coating, which fends off further leaves, for a little while anyway. So there we have it. Leaves on the line may sound like a lame excuse, but it's a real thing, so maybe we should cut the rail operators a little slack. Or maybe not.